Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Becca and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a tutorial on how I got this look and what I used to get there. If you would like to see how I did it, make sure to keep watching, as well as make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a great big thumbs up. Alright, we're starting off with primer. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus, making sure to cover the entire face. We want that nice smooth canvas. Next, we're going to take our brow product. Mine is Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 5. I am going to outline the entire tail end, starting at the inside of my iris and working my way back, filling in as I go. Using the spoolie end of our brow pencil, we're going to take and pull that product forward, making sure that we get a nice faded look. Next, I take my concealer and apply it all the way around my brow, concealing any mistakes that I've made. This also gives you a chance to shape the brow exactly how you want it. Now I'm going to take my concealer and completely cover my eyelids, giving my eyes a nice blank canvas for any shadow that I put on. Now that I've got a blank canvas for my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and correct any other problem areas that I may have. Using the Hard Candy Matte Finishing Spray, I am going to cover my entire face and let it dry. Next, I'm going to take the 24 karat gold Morphe palette in the shade Creamer to my entire lid. Following up with the shade Mooch in the crease. Make sure that you tap off all excess product off of your brush, making sure that you do not put too much on at one time. You can always build. The next shade I'm going to take is Steady. We're going to put that in the crease over top of that other shadow, giving it a little more depth, allowing the other color to just pop through. Now we're going to take our concealer and create a cut crease. Using the shade Marble, we are going to cover that entire cut crease area. This is our transition shade. Now we're going to take the color Steady and apply that over our transition shade to give more depth. To give the eye the finishing touch, we're going to apply the color Mooch to the lower lash line. And of course, this look wouldn't be complete without a wing. Using the Dramatist liner in black. To finish off this liner look, we are going to take a black eyeliner and take it to the bottom waterline as well as the top. Last but not least, for shadow, I am taking the shade Glazed on that Morphe palette and applying it to the inner corner. Now what kind of look would this be if I didn't add glitter? So I'm taking some eyelash extension glue and applying that to my inner corner as well as a few pieces of glitter, just enough sparkle. Now I am going to take the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara, definitely one of my most favorite products that they've ever made. After I've applied the mascara to my lashes, I'm going to apply strip lashes. Now, my biggest tip for strip lashes is always let it dry a little bit, allowing it to be tacky. For my foundation, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Infallible. It is full coverage, definitely my most favorite, not too heavy on the skin, and it is amazing. Using the Milani bronzer, I'm going to take that and contour my cheeks, my forehead, and underneath that double chin. Using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Dolce Pink, I'm going to blush my cheeks. Oh yeah, I forgot to bake my face. For that, I am using the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Bake, Brighten, and Set Loose Finishing Powder. Taking a big fluffy brush to wipe off any excess. And of course, this is my favorite part, the highlight. I am taking Estee Lauder Highlight, my most awesome favorite highlighter in the whole world. It is so gorgeous. If you don't have it, you gotta get it. And of course, it wouldn't be me without a struggle. The lip liner I'm using today is NYX in the shade Copenhagen. Applying this gorgeous lippy from NYX, it's called Copenhagen as well. Definitely velvety and lasts for quite a long time. And there you have it. Such a simple look, so easy, so much fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.